Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this beach themed painting. I saw a photo on Pinterest that inspired me and I decided to try it. So the first thing I did was I marked off where I wanted my sand to be and where I wanted my water to be. Then I took a sponge and started sponging a dark blue to a light blue gradient. I did this a couple times before I realized that I wasn't getting my desired blend that I wanted, and then I decided to go in and blend with a paintbrush, and that worked better for me. After I got done sponging the blue, I went in with some white. After I got done sponging on that white paint, I decided to go in with some gold paint for the sand. You don't have to use gold, you can use like a tan color, but this is what I had on me and I decided to use. After all the paint is completely dry, I went in with a second coat. making sure all the paint was dry, then I went in with some tacky glue and I spread it around with my paintbrush, and then once I got the whole surface covered, then I started to layer sand on top. When your first layer of sand is completely dry, then I started to add sand to the sides. You can do this in all in one step, but I just forgot and decided to do it later on. Once the sand is dry, you can go in and do another layer. Now this will take quite a few layers. I ended up doing about 5 or 6 layers of sand, but I did use a darker base, so if you wanted to do less layers of sand, then I would suggest making your base color for sand lighter. Once your sand is completely dry, then go in with a sponge and dab some white paint on the border of the sand. This will make it blend a little more. Now I'm just going to build up the sides a little more because the base color is peeking through. Once your sands is completely dry, your painting is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to support my channel. And until next week, bye.